In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and prioritize tasks with Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that helps in managing tasks effectively, blending your workspace into a structured and fluid workflow. Let's dive into how you can harness its capabilities to better organize your tasks. To get started, navigate to your connected workspace specifically designed for Wiki, Docs, and projects within Notion. This connected workspace serves as the foundation of everything you will be organizing. Once you're in your workspace, you need to log in by clicking on the Login option. If you're not already logged in, entering your credentials will grant you access to your personalized dashboard where all the magic happens. After logging in, go to your Notion home. The Notion home serves as the central hub of your activity, giving you a comprehensive overview of your projects, tasks, and documents. From here, navigate over to the Tasks section. This is where you will centralize all the tasks you need to manage and prioritize. Once you're in the Tasks section, the next step is to focus on the status of each task. Click on the Status category to surf through the different statuses available, such as To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Organizing your tasks by their status will help you prioritize your workflow according to what needs immediate attention and what can wait. For instance, tasks marked as To Do are those you've yet to start, while In Progress indicates ongoing tasks, making it easier to track progress over time. Utilizing these status tags within Notion means you can quickly identify what's pending, what's underway, and what's been finished, adding a level of clarity to your task management. As each task progresses, make it a habit to update its status to reflect its true state. This habit not only keeps your tasks organized, but also helps in maintaining a dynamic and responsive approach to task management. Additionally, you could consider taking advantage of more advanced features in Notion, such as setting deadlines and reminders, adding detailed notes, or even collaborating with your team directly on specific tasks. These features enhance productivity, ensuring not only your tasks are organized, but also that your team stays in sync with project developments. Remember, the key to effectively using Notion for task management is consistency and customization to fit your unique workflow. Spend some time adjusting the layout and integrating different tools available within Notion to truly make it work for you. Happy organizing! And may your productivity soar to new heights with Notion.